Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to do anonymous questions on your Instagram story. Just open your Instagram here. I am already into my stories section, right? So let me just save it as a draft here. Click on OK. So this is my story icon, and here I want to add a question, right? So I will just select any image here. I will go to the stickers icon. I will go to my question section. Now here I can just ask my question, but if you want to do the anonymous question on your Instagram story, well, this is not possible. This is totally not possible because to hide your identity, you need your basically Instagram need to hide your account. So if Instagram hide your account, definitely nobody will able to see your story, right? So this is not possible in Instagram. This doesn't provide the Instagram doesn't provide this feature. So if you see in some of the videos on YouTube that they show how to do this, basically all of those videos are fake, right? So I hope you understood this, and I hope you don't get into this gimmick. And if you found this information really useful, subscribe.